So recently, my YouTube feed has been flooded with teamseas, and if you don't know what teamseas is, it's basically a fundraiser that is helping remove trash from the seas. So yeah, you can go over to teamseas.org right now and go donate. Every $1 equals one less pound of trash in the sea. So yeah, you guys kind of guessed what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna make a teamseas game. So as you all know, I'm pretty good at modeling myself. Yeah. Since I'm so good, I don't want to be using my own assets. I'm gonna go over to Google and ask them for some. Yeah, these are really nice trash and they are paid for. Wow. So I found another website called open3dmodel.com, and they actually have real nice models here and they're free. So yeah, thanks open3dmodel.com. That's really cool. And for the ship, I just got the models from Kenny Assets. So we got our 3D model imported there nicely. For the next step, we're going to render it. I got you, didn't I? You thought I was going to make a 3D game, right? Okay, if you knew I suck at 3D games, smash like. We then do the same thing for the trash and we're all good. So now that we got pretty much all the assets we need, it's time to make a good project. After we do that, we make a new scene. There's going to be a kinematic body and boom, we have our player. Our player is moving quite nicely. Oh. I then added some water and added some trash to our game, but our game still looks like some piece of shit. I then added some clouds that will be randomly spawned and also made the trash to be randomly spawned. And now our trash doesn't like us, so it's leaving us, okay? And our game still feels empty. So you guessed it, we're going to add some backgrounds. And they're going to be my favorite backgrounds, S Mountain and S Trees. Some people ask me, why do I like this background so much? And I'm like, it goes with everything, doesn't it? And at this point, I just noticed that the alpha of our ship has been torn down really badly due to the background remover. So I have to do this all over again. And while we're doing it, I came over another ship model which was really cool. So I just put that instead. And that's how we fix the problem, and our teamseas game is starting to look pretty good. And now I'm just going to put over a simple menu just so that we can know where we are before we go to the game. And this game is available over at itch.io, which can be played in the browser. And yeah, this is just to support teamseas. And hey, Mr. Beast, if you're watching this video and you want to buy this game for I think 1,000 or 500 bucks, I'm completely open. Just comment in the comment section. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Smash subscribe and goodbye.